You're not going to believe how fast your skin can change when you put these 3 simple foods to work. So stay with me because what I'm about to share is exactly how I cleared my skin naturally without expensive creams or complicated routines. I went straight to the kitchen, and the first thing I used shocked me with how quickly it worked. Raw cucumber. Not the kind you throw in salads and forget. This time, I used it like medicine. I ate half a cucumber every morning on an empty stomach and used the other half as a cold face rub. The water, silica, and anti-inflammatory compounds tightened my pores, flattened bumps, and calmed redness in less than a week. Don't miss this part. Rubbing cold cucumber slices on your face instantly reduces puffiness and irritation. And eating it daily flushes out toxins that keep your skin dull. It's cheap, easy, and ridiculously effective. The second food changed everything for my breakouts: plain, unsweetened yogurt. Now, stay with me because this is where most people get it wrong. I didn't just eat the yogurt, I used it as a 10-minute skin mask 3 times a week. The natural lactic acid gently exfoliates, the probiotics fight acne-causing bacteria, and the cooling effect reduces inflammation almost immediately. When I tell you that my skin started looking smoother and more even-toned without burning or dryness, I mean it. Apply a thin layer, wait 10 minutes, rinse with cool water, and you'll see a glow that looks like you slept better, drank more water, and got a facial, all from 1 spoonful of yogurt. And wait till you hear the next remedy, because this one works from the inside out even faster. The third food is one people overlook every single day: carrots. Not cooked, not fried, but raw, blended, or juiced carrots. You'll want to hear this next part because it's the real reason my skin stopped breaking out. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene that transforms into vitamin A, the same nutrient used in many acne medications. But instead of harsh chemicals, you're giving your body a natural, steady supply of skin-healing nutrients. I started drinking 1 small glass of blended carrots every evening, and within days, my skin looked more hydrated, brighter, and clearer. The vitamin A helped repair damaged skin cells, control oil production, and even lighten dark marks from old breakouts. 1 glass a day is honestly one of the fastest ways to feed your skin from the inside. Combine these 3 simple foods: raw cucumber, yogurt masks, and daily carrot juice, and your skin won't have a choice but to improve. If you want more powerful natural tips like this, stay close because we're just getting started. Don't forget to subscribe to the Natural Healing Guides YouTube channel for more life-changing natural remedies.